Make room in your heart. Ye have heard that it hath been said, Thou shalt love thy neighbor, and hate thine enemy. But I say unto you, love your enemies, bless them that curse you, do good to them that hate you, and pray for them which despitefully use you, and persecute you, that ye may be the children of your Father which is in heaven. Matthew chapter 5 verse 43 to 45. When H.G. Wells summed up the influence of Jesus in history, he said, "Is it any wonder that this Galilean is too much for our small hearts? And yet the heart of man, though small, is big enough for Christ to live in, if man will only make room for him." Christ instilled the spirit of Christian love in his followers, so that they lived without malice and died without rancor. The love that Christ talked about can only be given to us by God. It is one of the fruits of the Spirit. When you come to Jesus Christ, He transforms you. Your past is forgiven. You receive a power to love men, beyond your natural ability to love. Prayer for the day. Instill in me, dear Father, your same spirit of love which enabled the disciples to live with true charity.